HSY stock analysis and HSY stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors and called out thousands of quick predictions on my YouTube channel. All of this has been documented. Specifically looking at HSY, I've already had my drawings here on the chart from my previous chart. And I was looking to generally take things up. And honestly, that never happened because no double breaks got met. But now we're really starting to shift. In terms of like daily structure breaks, weekly structure is still, ideally I will really be bullish if I see the price breaking above 264. That's going to be the target, but real bullishness for me will occur when we start breaking above 200 bucks. But that does not by any chance mean that I cannot start doubling down on the lower time from here. So that means that, yeah, now we have this bullish range, and if the price does pull down, so like in certain demand zones, it gives me that double break shift, then and only then I'll definitely take things up. But if my rules are not met, then there's just no goddamn way that I'm gonna buy. And people overcomplicate this stuff, and I'm absolutely baffled. So stay tuned. Correction must happen, because if they don't, then I guess I'm not going to be a part of this. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.